To make shorts go viral, we only need two things. First, audience retention, and second, swipe rate. But mainly, audience retention matters the most. But for good audience retention, you need to pick a niche where retention is high. And on YouTube, the niche with the highest audience retention is the memes niche. It's also the easiest niche. Even if someone is a beginner, they can easily go viral in this niche. I can show you hundreds or even thousands of channels that are just posting memes and getting millions or billions of views per month and making thousands of dollars monthly. And you can also do the same thing easily. They simply collect memes from any social media platform. You can take meme clips from YouTube long videos or from TikTok, Instagram, etc. After that, you can either create ranking meme shorts, upload single meme shorts, or post multiple memes together in one short. And make sure to add your own value to the shorts so that your channel gets monetized easily and doesn't get flagged under reused content. And that's all. If you can do this properly, you'll soon see your channel start to grow. And if you want more details and deeper information about this, I've covered everything in these two videos. If you watch them, you'll discover many important things that are absolutely necessary to make meme shorts go viral.